Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to join the public McFleet server. First, launch your Minecraft game client from your desktop or console. Once the game loads, you will see the main menu. From there, click on the multiplayer button. This action will take you to a new screen where you can manage your server connections. Next, select the Add Server option to begin the process of adding McFleet to your list. It's a straightforward first step. Now you'll need to input the server details. For the server name, type McFleet Public Server to easily identify it later. The most crucial piece of information is the server address, which is play. McFleet. Net. Carefully type this address into the designated field. The default port number for Java Edition is usually 25565, so you typically won't need to change it. Double-check your entries for accuracy before proceeding. Once you have entered all the server information, click the Done button to save the McFleet server to your list. You will then see McFleet Public Server appear in your multiplayer server list. Highlight the McFleet server by clicking on it once. Finally, click the Join Server button located at the bottom of the screen. This will connect you directly to the McFleet Public Server, allowing you to begin your adventure immediately. If you encounter any issues connecting, don't worry, there are a few things to check. First, confirm that your internet connection is stable and working correctly. Sometimes, a firewall or antivirus program might block the connection, so check those settings. Also, ensure your Minecraft game version is compatible with the server's version. An outdated client can prevent connection. If problems persist, visit the official McFleet website for further assistance or community support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.